welcome to another day with Chef Blinks. How you all doing? Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for everything. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be making a very small pot of soup and simple oilless okra soup. Okra without oil. This is my okra. This is another one roughly blend. This is my mushroom. This is optional. If you like, you use it. If you like, you can do away with it. There's no problem. It's optional. This is my boiled fish, my onion, the meat I'm going to be using, my bitter leaf and my spinach, my Maggi, and my crayfish. In this okra, I have the Scotch bonnet pepper. So let's get started, guys. So because I've already boiled my meat, so I just add the okra that I blend and onion, and I'm going to be adding the other okra which I just cut like this. I'm going to add my crayfish, my Maggi, just going to add a little salt because I had salt and other things on my stock. So I'm just going to stir. Remember, I told you it's a very small pot of soup and a quick one at that. So I'm going to stir and allow this to cook for some minutes before I add my meat and other things. So now I'm going to add my meat, and as well I'm going to add my mushroom. In Italy we call it fungi. So I'm going to leave this and allow it to cook a bit before I will add other things I need to add. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my spinach, not too much, just like garnishing. Okay. Remember, I said it's a small pot of soup and a quick one at that. Here now I'm going to be adding my boiled fish. Quick soup, and I'm just going to garnish with it just to give it a color. So I'm going to leave this on a low heat for about 5 minutes and we are good to go. This is my oilless okra soup, or okra without oil. You can serve this with semo, anything swallow, and the yam, eba, mala, it goes. And guys, if you want to add pepper soup spice, you can add too if you want to, because at times I do add pepper soup spice to mine too, but this I did not add. It's so yummy. The aroma is superb. Thank you for staying tuned with me. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, feel free to leave your comment below. And for all my subscribers, God bless you all. Thank you for staying by me. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.